Hi guys, I just did the post bag video and opened this already, so I'm not going to be doing another unboxing video. It's a remote controlled boat, 2.4 gig, and it's tiny. I bought it specifically for playing in puddles. USB to charge it up. The remote needs a couple of AA batteries, screwdriver supplied, also 2 spare propellers supplied. Instructions. So say I bought it specifically to play in puddles, and it does say there, do not operate the boat in shallow or narrow water on the reef, otherwise it might get damaged. So basically we're going to chew up the propeller if it goes on the bottom of the puddle, but I'm not going to worry about that. I did make a little boat very similar to this, using parts from one of those infrared wall climbing cars, because that had suitable motors and infrared control. I'll put a link in the video description so you can see it. This one needs to be in water before it'll operate. Those metal plates there need to make contact with water before it will switch on. Just see if we can actually charge it from the power bank. Okay, lights come on. Charging indicator light is on, indicating charging is in progress. When charging indicator lights off automatically, it means charging is complete. When fully charged, boat will run for 8 to 12 minutes. This 4DRC is the same company that I bought this thing from. Well, I didn't buy it from the 4DRC company, I bought it off AliExpress, but it's manufactured by 4DRC. These are all sorts of different prices on AliExpress. I paid £17 for it, apparently reduced from £51. And then the next seller along was reducing them from £15 to £12 something. So you really got to look at what you're buying on AliExpress. Anyway, that's another story. That does work fine. Let's put some batteries in. Oh, did that up tight. Ah, come on, out. Right. Use a couple of my best batteries. Use a lithium ion with little circuit boards in them that limit them to 1.5 volt output. So they last for ages, weeks, months. 3,500 milliwatt hour. I use them on my field cameras, trail cameras. Oh, dropped out. Leave them for weeks at a time, filming. Whereas the cameras used to eat up ordinary AA batteries overnight. But they are extremely expensive. You can use an awful lot of AA batteries, cheap AA batteries, before you would pay for the cost of these. It doesn't appear to be an on-off. That's interesting. No, no on-off. Well, that's a bit naughty, isn't it? Yeah. That's just going to run your batteries down, isn't it? Yeah. That's a bit naughty. So you have to take the batteries out when you're not using it. I mean, that's a good thing. And that doesn't appear to have any function. I would think in a different version there would be something you plugged in there. But I can't see anything that will plug in there. Certainly nothing that's been supplied. I would have thought maybe you could have plugged the boat in there in a different version. That's probably what it's for. Oh, the light's gone out now. Still don't trust that. That's going to be drawing current, I reckon. Okay, we'll come back in a little while when the light's gone out and we'll give it a little run in the kitchen sink just to check that it works. Right, kitchen sink. Okay, put it in. Not a lot happening. Nothing at all. Well, that's disappointing. Ah, right. It has detected. Light's gone permanent. So, forwards, yes. Backwards, yes. Left. Looks to me like it'll go upside down quite easily. Don't know what the blue light means. That really does want to turn over. That is going to roll over. Oh, that's really useful, isn't it? Why would you want it to do that? But we can safely say it does work. Oh, that's some sort of auto mode there. Yeah. No. I don't know what happened there. Blue light's gone out, whatever that was. I suppose we could always read the instructions. Yeah, holding that down, the blue light came on. Yep, no idea what that was about. But it works. So I'll have to go and find some puddles to try it in. I'll just add a little bit more. I've had it out of the water for quite a while now and it still hasn't switched itself off. I've dried it, but it's still got the red light on and it's still operating. So there's no on-off switch on the controller and there's no on-off switch on there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.